Benedetta Neglieri, and I work for Learning Undefeated, a nonprofit organization that brings unique STEM education activities to students across the country. And what we're going to learn about today is about atoms. So what is an atom? An atom is the smallest primary unit of all matter in the universe. So what's made out of atoms? Well, this balloon is made out of atoms. I'm made of atoms. Even the air that we can't see is made up of atoms. And atoms are made up of three main parts: a proton, a neutron, and an electron. So protons have a positive charge, neutrons have no charge, and electrons have a negative charge. Now, there's really cool properties of protons and electrons. Because they have opposite charges, they attract. So if you have a proton and an electron, they're gonna come together. Now, the opposites attract, that means likes repel. So if you have two electrons, they're not gonna come together, but they're gonna go apart. Now I have a really cool experiment where you can actually see this. And all you need is a balloon and some crispy rice. So what we're going to do is first collect electrons. So you take your balloon and rub it on your head. You really want to rub it pretty hard. You want to make sure you're getting as many electrons onto the balloon as possible. And what we're going to actually be using is static electricity. And what electricity is just the movement of electrons. So if you can see, I'm going to really get as many electrons so I can feel my hair coming up into the air. And all that is that since the electrons are going onto the balloon, it's leaving a positive charge on my hair, so my hair sticks to the balloon. To get as many electrons as you can on there, you're gonna hold the Rice Krispies in your hand and then move the balloon to the Rice Krispies. You'll notice that some Rice Krispies stick to the balloon and some of them will fly off. And that's because Rice Krispies are made up of atoms, and atoms have a positive charge and a negative charge. So some are repelling and some are attracting. So you can use this method of collecting electrons and see what else you can move into your house. You can move Rice Krispies, but can you move an empty soda can? Can you move anything else that's light? So you could try this at home and see how you can see electrons repel and attract different parts of the atom. Thank you guys for listening, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.